Hello everyone and welcome to another newsletter here from Nordic Anglers. My name is Daniel and today I have some really cool stuff for you. The first thing I want to show you is some new items from Fishpond. Basically Fishpond is one of the brands that we're really proud to be able to sell because they are excellent quality. They make some really well thought through products, and this is no exception. This is the Canyon Creek chest pack, and what this basically is a small chest pack that has all the essentials that you need. It has a storage space here, a large storage compartment that will fit a fly box, and in addition also a phone. And then it has a workstation out here in front with an included padding here to host all of your flies, so you can dry them or just store them there, the flies that you use the most. Otherwise there's a small pocket here that is quite usable for a phone as well. This is basically kind of the same idea as the Thunder Creek one, which is of course waterproof, but this one is really awesome because it's a lot less expensive, and also it has two compartments instead of just the one on the Thunder Creek. One of the things that really makes Fishpond stand out is their way of approaching the whole idea of having something lightweight that is just 100% functional. And that's also why I love these things. One of the key features I love the most is the ability to carry your net in a really awesome and unique way in this scabbard. So basically what you have here is a good way of keeping your net away from all tangles and all brushes and stuff by simply having it in the scabbard here on the back. It's easy to access, it's out of the way, and it's just one of the features that I enjoy and use the most here with the Fishpond product. So overall the Canyon Creek chest pack is just a really nice addition to the product line of Fishpond, and it's one of the items that I definitely will consider. I have some of the Thunder Creeks as well and have some vests as well, but this is really an excellent options for all those days where you're traveling fast, you're traveling kind of light. You can have all the essential gear stowed in here. You can have your net on the back in the scabbard, and then you're just good to go. So the Canyon Creek chest pack is I'm sure going to be one of my top selling Fishpond products of this year. This is a cool one. Also, and actually I bought this one, so I don't have the tags for this, so I can't recall the exact name, but this is basically a mesh vest from Fishpond. For many years I did not use vests anymore, but then I saw some of these from Fishpond and I just had to own some of them. This is a mesh vest, which basically means that there's a lot of holes in this, and making it the most breathable and lightweight vest out there. This is one size, which basically means that you can adjust this, so you can adapt this to any season that you're fishing. You can even use this on really outside on really bulky cold water weather gear, like big wading jackets and fleece and stuff, because you can just adjust the size up here. So this one will fit almost anyone, and it's really easy to use, and you can how should I put this? You can even grow with this one. so it's really nice, very thought through. There's just a ton of pockets, as there should be in a product like this. The two big base pockets down here fits nicely with the big CF Design boxes. And also you have the scabbard on the back where you can easily stow your net. If I can. Did I hit? No. You get the idea. You can easily stow your net, so it's easy to access. Let me just get this straight. There we go. So you can carry your net exactly as with the chest pack. It's nice and out of the way. It doesn't tangle with brushes and stuff. So in this you have all the things you need in a vest. It's just really light. It has all the key features, and it's just easy to adjust, so it fits you perfectly when you're on the go. And perhaps this is for trips where you're using more boxes and have more leaders, perhaps dry fly fishing or whatever. It fits over anything, so you can use this for salmon fishing, for dry fly, for foam beetles, for coastal fishing, even if you're not wading too deep. This is a cool product that I really like a lot. I have the tech vest as well, and I think this is probably going to be my favorite from here on out, because when it's really, really warm, then this will make the high temperatures easy to bear when you're fishing and you're walking a lot along the streams. So, new addition to the fish pond family of products, and this is also going to be one of our absolute favorites, the mesh vest. We've also just restocked on some of a lot of different of the fish pond items that has been out of stock for a long time. For instance, the headgate tippet holder here is finally back in stock. It's a nice product and the best tippet holder I've seen. It fits very well. It's very well suited to fit on any of the fish pond different fish pond products. A nice addition as well. Here in Denmark right now, it's February, and that means we're very close to the explosion of all the coastal fishing. And one of the first and early signs of this is the polychaete worms, which is basically kind of a very long worm that swims very slowly and then spawns here in the spring, and we tie these on shanks. So in order to help out with that and get more people into the shank tying business, or even the game changer business, we have this very big selection with 180 shanks in sizes ranging from 9 to 20 millimeters. This kit has a retail price that I do not recall exactly in euros, but we have marked this down by 25%. So if you want to try and get into the tying of all the game changer flies and the worms and stuff, then the spawn shank collection here is a really good bet for your money. You get all the different sizes, and you can just go crazy and tie exactly what you want and what you need with something like that. So swing by Nordic Anglers to stock up on shanks, and also we've just added more than 20 new colors of the Whiting Classic soft hackles with chickaboo. This is basically some really awesome feathers, soft hackle feathers. I can show you the orange one here. You have a great variety of different sizes. So you have everything from really small soft hackle wet flies to big salmon flies in a patch like this. These are fairly inexpensive. They're around 30 euros, maybe a bit more than 30 euros. But what you get is first of all a ton of very nice quality soft hackles. But you also get some. The top here is some very small mini hackles that is basically marabou, and all of this up here can be used in particular for bigger patterns, like the front hackle for any type of streamer, for salmon flies, for coastal flies. But you can also just pluck one of these feathers out, and then you have a very nice tail for all your coastal flies, for all your woolly buggers and streamers like that. So you get a lot of feathers in some awesome colors. We have, as I said, more than 20 different colors, a lot of them in grizzly as well. And the price here for a high-end, really nice whiting product is just absolutely amazing. I think that about covers it for now. Of course, all of these things are available at Nordic Anglers, our web shop. We ship worldwide, so you can always find whatever you need in regards to fly tying or fly fishing equipment. You need to go no further. We have almost everything. So swing by Nordic Anglers to see our selection. And otherwise, the only thing left is to wish you all the best of luck out on the water. And thank you so much for watching. Take care.